Hi, I'm Don Marsh, and for today's cocktail, we'll be doing the Grass Fizz here on the Proper Pour. Today's cocktail, we're going to be doing the Grass Fizz, and what inspired me to come up with this years ago was guests coming into the bar and ordering like a Jack and Coke or a Crown and Seven, and you pretty much get that anywhere. You can make it at the house. And you want to have an experience when you go out to give them something they've never seen before, can't do at home. So with this, we're going to have a heavy bourbon cocktail. We're going to use the Four Roses. It's going to be 1.5 ounces. We're going to use a Sweet Vermouth, and that's going to be a 1/2 ounce. You're going to use a 1/4 ounce of honey syrup, and that's going to be a dilution of half honey, half water. We have a house-made ginger syrup, 3/4 ounce of ginger syrup. Half ounce of lemon juice. Now, for y'all at home that can't make ginger syrup and we don't give out the recipes, a nice ginger beer works as well. We're going to use a large coupe. I'm going to shake this cocktail. You're done shaking, always make sure you get the extra juices out of there. You're gonna double strain it, Hawthorne, Julep. And we're going to top it with soda. And I mentioned before using ginger beer at the house. So with that ginger syrup and the soda, you're pretty much making a ginger beer depending on how much ginger syrup you put in there. For us, a 1/2 ounce is about a ginger ale, and a 3/4 ounce is a ginger beer. And that's the Grass Fizz. And that is a refreshing, boozy style cocktail. The only problem I give guests with this cocktail is be careful, because the amount of alcohol in this one libation is hidden. It's the lemon juice, the ginger, a little bit of honey covers up the amount of bourbon that's in this cocktail. And thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next week here on The Proper Pour with a new cocktail. Thank you.